All right, let's get started. So, in the previous class, we covered till recognizing trending stocks. So, if you have identified a stock and you want to trade it, what could be the important symptoms about the stock uh, that you can look for in order to uh, figure out if you want to trade it or not trade it? Okay. Okay. So now let's move on to the next topic. Any questions on this before we move on? Okay. All right. So let's now move on to the technical analysis part, which is confirming trends. Okay. So once you have identified some of the symptoms, okay, so you already know which side you want to trade. So the first thing is know the side you want to trade. Now knowing the side you want to trade का मतलब क्या है कि you will already know whether you want to trade the stock in the long direction or in the short direction. Okay, so from your pick stock perspective, you will already know that is your watch list indicating that you want to sell the stock, or is your watch list indicating that you want to buy the stock, or delivery breakout volume breakout is indicating that you want to buy it or sell it. Okay, so whichever direction you want to trade it, okay, that has to be known first. So if you want to go short, that should be known. If you want to go long, that needs to be known. Now how do we confirm that is the stock trying to get is it if you want to sell it, is it going to go down, or is it not going to go down, or if the stock that you want to buy, is it going to go up or is it not going to go up? Okay, now there are two methods of doing it, okay, which has been taught. One is you will do it from an intraday perspective. Okay, that is on opening analysis of the market and stock. Okay, so you know that if the market is trending, you can buy intraday highs, there's no problem. Okay, or you can even sell intraday lows. Okay, so this is known. Okay, so the pattern for entry can happen at the highs of the intraday chart or at the lows of the intraday chart. Second is, if the market is range bound, you know that you will buy intraday lows or you can sell intraday highs. Okay, So you will already know that, okay, I want to say sell Tata Steel, or say buy Hind Petro or whatever. Okay. So if you want to buy Hind Petro, okay, and if the market is opening trending, you can buy it at intraday highs also. Okay. And if you want to sell Tata Steel and the market is trending, you can even sell the intraday lows. Okay. Now, if the market opening is range bound, then you can even buy, you can buy only the intraday lows, or you should be selling the intraday highs. Please do not try to do the reverse side, which means that you want to sell a stock, the stock has gone to intraday lows of the day, and you are trying to sell it from there. Okay, try to refrain doing that. Okay, there's nothing wrong in doing it, but most of the times it will hit your stop loss. Okay. Now the third thing is going to be there are three methods of trend confirmation based on price or volume action. Okay, the first one is trending zones. Second one is general trending zones, and the third one is long or short candles. Okay, so these are the three methods, okay, which have been taught to you, which you already know, that using which you can confirm trends. Okay, one is a trending zone, second is a general trending zone, and third is a long or a short candles. Okay, now the method of doing this is, in case you are working with trending zones क्या होते हैं? Let's take any example.
There is also price volume, no?
Price volume. See, this is a trending zone. So the volume increase is green, and so there is a volume increase, and the color of the candles is all greens. Okay, the same way let's look at this one. So the volume is increasing and the color of the candles is same. Okay, right, so this is trending zones. Okay, this one. Now in order to confirm trends in case of trending zones, there has to be a
Volume breakup. Volume breakup.
correct. So there has to be a volume breakout. So this is the confirmation signal. ठीक है. Volume breakout is the confirmation signal. Now in case of general trends are like this, okay, where you have combinations of reds and greens, combination of reds and greens, ठीक है. Let's say this area, so there's a combination of one red and two greens, okay. Say a general trend, a combination of one red and two greens, okay. So these are general trends. Okay, something of this sort. Okay, now if you're working with general trends, the confirmation is price breakout. Okay, so this is the confirmation signal. Okay, so what will happen is the price will break out of this area. Okay, now say you want to buy, and this is a general trend that you want to work with. Okay, then if you want to buy, either the price breaks out in this direction or the price breaks out in this direction and reverses back. Okay, both are okay, but the thing is that the signal is that the price will have to break out from this particular general trend box. So that is the confirmation signal. The third one is long or short candles. The confirmation signal in this case would be the first 5 minute volume breakout. Okay, so this is the confirmation signal. Okay, so something of this sort. See, this is the 9:15 candle, 9:15 volume on this day. Okay, now this 9:15 volume is being taken out by say 429, 452. So this volume, this first volume of the day, the first 5 minute volume of the day will be taken out in terms of volume by another candle. Okay, say for example somewhere here. Okay, so this is the place which is 940. So this candle, and this candle is red in color. Okay, so this is confirming that short creations have happened. Okay, so the confirmation signal, okay, we are currently only in trend confirmation phase. So the confirmation signal would be the first 5 minute volume breakout. Just be cautious in this case when you are working with long and short candles. Okay, no trending zone should be formed. In case a trending zone is formed before this breakout happens, then you will follow the trending zone and not the long or short candles. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so say in between this and this, if there is a trending zone which is formed, then you will follow the trending zone and not this candle. There is no need to follow this candle. You can follow only the trending zone candles. Okay.
Sir, general trends also cannot be accepted, right, sir? General trends.
General trend is fine. That can happen, which is okay.
Oh, okay.
So if you are anyways bullish, the price will go down. Okay. The price should say if there is a red candle formed. Okay. Because if you want to buy, then you wait for a short candle. With the third confirmation method, you want shorts to get created, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You want shorts to get created. You don't want longs to get created. On longs, there is no action. The same way, if you are bearish, you want to sell, then you want longs to get created. If it is forming shorts, it's of no use for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So these are the methods. The fourth method is daily trend confirmation. Now, what is a daily trend confirmation? A daily trend confirmation is that you know that what do you call this? A stock is bearish or bullish, right? Bearish or bullish means whether you want to buy it or you want to sell it, okay, based on your watch list or whatever. Okay, now if there is a volume breakout that happens which is greater than the volume of previous day, do you see some previous day volume, say, was somewhere here, let's assume, and this is breaking out the volume of the previous days. Okay, so this is also a confirmation of trend.
Previous day volume breakout should be considered for 5 minutes candle.
5 minute candle.
5 minutes only, no?
Highest 5 minute candle of previous day is taken out today by any 5 minute candle.
सर
Hello.
हाँ जी, yes.
अच्छा सर, मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था, जैसे कि पिछले दिन की कैंडल मान लीजिए वॉल्यूम ब्रेकआउट उसने रेड से किया है और जोन हमारा बाई साइड में, अभी तो ये डाउन साइड में, अगर जोन बाई साइड में है तो हम उस रेड वॉल्यूम को कंसीडर, अगर स्टॉक ऊपर जा रहा है तो उसको फिर बाई साइड की तरफ ही कंसीडर मान सकते हैं कि हाँ हमने से बाई करके चले?
उसको बाई ही करना है, चाहे वो लाल हो चाहे हरा हो.
ओके ओके.
अगर वॉल्यूम ब्रेकआउट कर रहा है, वॉल्यूम ब्रेकआउट करने का मतलब होता है ट्रेंड का कॉन्फर्मेशन होना. ठीक है, देखिए, यू ऑलरेडी नो कि विच साइड इज द स्टॉक मूविंग. ठीक है, वो ऊपर की तरफ मूव कर रहा है या वो नीचे की तरफ मूव कर रहा है जनरली, करेक्ट. आपको ये कंफर्म करना है कि अब वो ट्रेंड करेगा या नहीं, उसमें ट्रेंडिंग शुरू हुई है या नहीं. तो वो जो ट्रेंडिंग का सिग्नल होता है वो वॉल्यूम होता है.
Got it. Means for previous day volume breakout candle should be of 5 minutes only, and in other rest 3 cases it can be of 3 minutes also. Then
हाँ, that could be 3 minute, 1 minute, whatever. Intraday में it can be 3 minute, 1 minute, whatever. This is daily trend confirmation. Okay, so daily trend confirmation is a breakout of the previous day.
Sir, when that volume breaks out, if we are long, should we place the buy above the candle, the volume breakout candle high? Is it like that, or?
Okay, that is entry exit. We will talk about it. Okay. So previous day 5 minute highest volume breakout. This is the confirmation signal. Okay. Okay. The fifth one on confirming trends is support and resistances. Okay. Now for support and resistances, one would be important day resistance near intraday high and support near intraday lows. Now when I say important day means that someday it might have become a top gainer, top loser, or a delivery volume breakout, some significant thing that would have happened in that stock. Okay. So say for example on some day it might have become a top gainer. Say for example if you take Reliance. Okay. So in Reliance, this is the important day because this day Reliance became top gainer. Okay. So if it became top gainer, what you will do is, where is the intraday top? The intraday top was here, correct? At this place. Now you see that there are continuous greens there, but there are no continuous reds. Okay, fine. We see which is the highest resistance. Okay, so near the top, the highest resistance seems to be this. Okay, now if you want to buy this, okay, and the price is above, see above, then it should break down, come back. If it comes back, it is confirming that this line, this resistance has become support. Okay, fine. That this resistance has become support at this place. Clear? The same way.
And this resistance you're drawing based on the 2 green 2 red, right?
2 green 2 red. See,
Okay.
the highest one is here.
Okay.
Continuous greens and continuous reds.
Fine.
So you will try to draw it closer to the top. This is on the important day. Okay. The second method is intraday high and low. this place, and also this place. Now this doesn't have a wick, so what I'll do is I'll place it here. Okay, so this top and this bottom are also support and resistances for this stock. Okay, now when you are working with this, you can also refine it a little bit, in the sense that if you find that there was a support which was built above this line, you can even mark that support as a resistance, so which is fine, which is okay, there's no problem. Okay, now once you have marked the highest highs, okay, and the high of the day, this will become a resistance zone. Generally what will happen is the price will come, fall below this, and will break this out and go up. Okay, the same way, this is the low of the day, and let's say the closest support is also somewhere here only. Okay, this is the nearest support line to the low price of the day, intraday lows. So this is a very strong support level, this zone. Okay, so the price might come here, may go down, break this back out, and go up. Okay, so this is also a confirmation signal about a stock. Okay, clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So something or the other will keep
Sir.
happening like this. Huh?
Sir, volume in trending zone,
Hmm.
the volume breakout can be either a green candle or red candle.
Huh,
That
green
doesn't
or
matter,
red.
right?
That doesn't matter. Even the
Okay,
trend
the second.
for uptrend, say you want to buy,
Okay.
even the trend can be red. There's no problem.
Okay. Okay. And in general trending zone, price breakout, whether the price should come out of the box, right?
The price has to
That
leave
means,
the box. So say you want to buy, and the general trend there would be a box, right? And you want to buy.
right.
See,
Yes.
either the price will leave the box on the upside. If it
That
is,
is entire candle should come out or what?
the entire candle will go and close outside.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Either it will go and close outside on the upside,
Okay.
okay, above the box,
Okay.
or it
Okay.
can even happen that it goes and closes below the box.
Yes. Right.
In case it goes below the box,
Okay.
and from there it returns back inside the box,
Okay.
that is also bullish.
And you have taught in this general trend, support and resistance should be made in the box. Then there, that is the point where we have to enter.
Yeah, that is the point where we have to enter. We will talk about it in this find entry. That is number 4, technical analysis.
Okay.
Okay, right now we are confirming the trend only.
Okay.
So if the price goes above the box and comes inside, then?
It will come inside, because when you will make entry, okay, and you are working with the general trend, the price will actually go outside, say above the
Yes.
box. You want to buy, it will go above the box, then it will come inside the box.
And we can take entry.
Inside the box, there would be a resistance level.
Right.
That is the place you have to take the entry.
Right. And in the long short candles, if a general trend is formed, then we don't have to worry about that. No?
General trend
Only
generally will not disturb that thing, but if there is a trend,
then only
you
we
have to follow that. If there is a general trend, there is no problem.
Okay.
Usually there is no problem.
And one more thing, on the first day we were taught we have to see today market was fundamentally strong or weak by analyzing the number of candles, green or red. So I just forget how to predict that day for the next day. If today was strong, then how we can use this information for the next day?
Right. So if the market was fundamentally say strong, okay, the closing is strong, okay, and next day the opening is weak.
Okay.
That means that there is a reversal in the trend after the market closed.
Okay.
So something globally has caused this.
Okay.
Some domestic or global news has made a fundamentally strong market a weak opening market. So that day, sell side trades will give you big profits, most likely.
Okay. This is the way we are supposed to utilize this information.
Yeah, that is how you will utilize that information, because something that is closing strong should also open strong.
Great, great, great. Got it, got it.
Right.
Sir,
Thank you.
so in the three methods, no, we can work in 3 minutes candle also, no?
These three, no?
Trending zone. Yes. Long and short candle also.
You can work with 1 minute, 3 minute, no problem.
So we have to see a 3 minute volume breakout.
These don't work with, I'll write here, okay, 5 minute.
Okay. Yes. No, a third long and short candle.
Long and short also you can.
First 3 minute volume breakout we can.
You can take the first candle.
Right. Okay.
First candle.
Support and resistance should also be considered in 5 minutes candle only.
Support and resistance आप 5 minute में करिए.
Okay.
Okay. The last one in trend confirmation I have taught you was step method. Step up or down method. You remember I taught one of the videos, you can revisit. I said that when the stock moves, it forms steps.
कल सर बजाज सेंसर में भी बना था 3 स्टेप ऊपर.
राइट. तो उसमें होगा क्या? Something of this sort will happen. Okay, I'm just hypothetically drawing. Say there would be one box like this. There would be another box like this. Then there would be another box like this. So it will form steps. That is also confirming trends. Okay. So this also confirms trends. So step up or step down. If it forms, if it is bearish, it will form, it will go like this. Okay. Intraday trading, use it on 1 minute. Most likely high momentum trade. Okay. All of you remember high momentum trade? The first the first 1 minute low should not be compromised, right? So try to use this method in high momentum trades for confirming.
And how to search for the high momentum? Suppose today we have a
आपको
list
सर्च
of
नहीं करना
15.
है. सर्च नहीं करना है. आपके जो स्टॉक्स है उसी में दिख जाएगा आपको.
वॉच लिस्ट 5-15 मिनट का वॉच लिस्ट है.
चाहे
We
वो
have to see in the 1 minute.
इतने सारे तरीके हैं जिससे आपको स्टॉक मालूम होंगे ऑलरेडी.
True.
Right.
Okay.
इनमें से
Means we have to switch over between.
you'll have to look at
We
it.
have to switch over between 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes candle.
हाँ देखिए स्टार्टिंग में मॉर्निंग में ही फर्स्ट 5 देखिए व्हेन यू आर ट्रेडिंग विद 5 मिनट्स कैंडल्स एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट्स तक तो
Okay.
कुछ नहीं होने वाला है,
True.
कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है। 15-30 मिनट्स तक कुछ भी नहीं होगा, नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन,
Right.
यू कैन नॉट टेक अ ट्रेड।
Right. But in momentum, you are saying कि we have to watch 8 to 10 candles. Means we have to take decision within 10
हाँ
candles, 10
वही तो
minutes.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि आप अगर 5 मिनट्स में ट्रेड करने वाले हैं तो आपको पहले 15-30 मिनट तक तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, राइट?
True. Very
उस
true.
दौरान आप सबके 1-1 मिनट के चार्ट देख लीजिए,
Right.
है ना?
Right.
2-3 मिनट के बाद 1-1 मिनट के चार्ट देखिए, उन्हीं को देखिए, उन्हीं को रखिए जिनके या तो अगर बाई साइड पे है तो फर्स्ट 5 मिनट का लो टूटा नहीं है अभी तक, सॉरी
True.
फर्स्ट 1 मिनट का लो टूटा नहीं है अभी तक,
True.
ज्यादातर के तो टूट जाएंगे,
True.
ठीक है? इफ यू हैव 100 स्टॉक्स इन योर लिस्ट, 95-96 के तो ब्रेक हो जाएंगे, सिर्फ 4 ही के बचेंगे।
Very true. Very true.
कारण डॉक्टर रेड्डी का था।
सॉरी रवि, दोबारा बोलना।
मैं कहा सर इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल कल डॉक्टर रेड्डी का था।
हाँ ठीक है, तो आपको ढूंढना नहीं है, मतलब ये आपको आपके स्टॉक में ही मिलेंगे।
Got it. Means first 15 minutes we have to be very active and fast.
हाँ, क्योंकि उस समय पे आप थोड़ा एसेस करोगे ना, और वैसे भी देखा जाए तो पहले 15 मिनट में वैसे कोई काम नहीं होता,
True.
ठीक है? पहले 15 मिनट में आप कर क्या रहे होगे? आप ये कर रहे होगे, आपको पिक स्टॉक्स पहले ही पता होंगे। अब रिकॉग्नाइज जब आप कर रहे होगे, उसमें से कुछ एक ने ये क्राइटेरिया मीट किया होगा, ठीक है? उन कुछ एक में से मान लो 3-4 बचे होंगे, जो भी 3-4 बचे होंगे उसमें से अब आप देखोगे कि अच्छा अगर मुझे हाई मोमेंटम ट्रेड मिल रही है किसी में, तो उसके पहले 1 मिनट का लो नहीं टूटना चाहिए, तो उसमें से हो सकता है 1 या 2 ही स्टॉक होगा, उससे ज्यादा होता नहीं है।
Very true.
ठीक है, क्लियर है? स्टेप अप डाउन मेथड।
Clear. Clear.
Good. So this is about confirming trends, technical analysis, okay? अब अगले में मूव करेंगे हम। Once you have confirmed, you want to make entries. ठीक है? Now you want to make entries. अब हम ये जो आपने कंफर्मेशन के तरीके देखे हैं, ठीक है, इनको एक एक करके उठाएंगे यहाँ पे, और उनमें जो बेस्ट तरीका है एंट्री लेने का वो मैं बता देता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? पहला क्या था? ट्रेंडिंग जोन्स, राइट? ये वाला ट्रेंडिंग जोन्स क्या होता है? इंक्रीजिंग वॉल्यूम विथ सेम कलर, सो इट्स ईदर ग्रीन 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 और रेड 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 रेड। सो ट्रेंडिंग जोन्स अगर हैं तो आफ्टर द कंफर्मेशन वेयर विल यू टेक द ट्रेड्स? यू विल टेक द ट्रेड्स एट द बाउंड्रीज, ठीक है? अप और डाउन। अब अगर आप बाई कर रहे हो, ठीक है, और कॉन्फर्मेशन नीचे की तरफ से आ रहा है बॉक्स के, तो आप बाई नीचे वाले बॉक्स के एज को करोगे, ओके? यू विल बाई द लोअर एंड ऑफ द बॉक्स, For example, Reliance say the confirmation came at the lower end of the box. If the confirmation is coming at the lower edge, you will try to buy only the lower edge. Okay, this is the best practice. If the confirmation comes at the upper edge, you will buy it from the upper edge. Okay. Enter at boundaries where the confirmation is done. So it can be upside or it can also be downside. Second is general trending zones. In general trending zones, once the confirmation happens, which means it has broken out on either side of the box, okay, you will buy or sell okay, say for example buy resistance inside the box, or you will buy sell support inside the box. Okay, so if you are working with say a general trend, let's assume that this is a general trend, you want to work with this one. Okay, so 330, 320, 325, 515. Okay, let's consider that this is a general trend somewhere here. Okay, so what you'll have to do is you will draw this box, the price will go outside. Okay, once the price goes outside, it confirms you that okay, it is wanting to trend now. Now say if it is a sell side trade, where do we see a support inside the box? Let's assume that we see this as the support inside the box. Okay, so your entry in this trade would be here if you are working with general trends. Clear? After the
Yes, sir,
confirmation happens, it will come inside the box, and inside the box you will spot a support or a resistance. If you are buying, buy the resistance. If you are selling, sell the support. Yeah.
Sir, if there is no support or resistance in 5 minutes, can we change it to 1 minute and look for a support or resistance inside the box?
It depends which time frame you are trading.
Okay. Because if in 5 minutes, no, in a general trend, if inside that box there is no support or resistance, then can we change it to 1 minute chart and look for a support or resistance?
You can, provided it is still there. So more or less, it will be the same level. It doesn't change as much. It is just that it shows you more details, finer details. Otherwise, nothing much changes.
ट्रेंड में सर अगर बॉक्स के बार प्राइस चला जाता है तो हम तो वहाँ पे भी एंट्री ले सकते हैं अगर अंदर नहीं आता है बॉक्स के अंदर आता है तो ये हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस को. इट्स क्लियर सर?
हाँ. Okay. Now So this is with general trends. What is the third one? Is long or short candles, right? So in long or short candles, you will work with the what? Wigs. Okay. Buy red candle top or sell green candle bottom. Correct? Wick or bottom. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. In support and resistance, okay, this is pretty much the same entry or exit point, because you will either buy the resistance or you will buy the support, or you will sell the resistance or you will sell the support. So there is no difference in finding an entry or something. Okay. The sixth one, which is a high momentum trade. You will sell or buy, you will sell second box, lower end. Okay. Or you will buy the second box upper end. Okay. And the condition is that after the second box is formed, the price should not go below. Say for example, if it is a buy, then it should not go below the first box lower edge. If it is a sell, then it should not go above the first box upper edge. Okay, so that you have to be careful. So it is a great practice to have your SL, stop loss. Enter a trade where the stop loss is favorable. Okay, try to enter a trade where the stop losses are favorable.
Okay, sir.
Which means that 0.5% stop loss that you are willing to take, okay, that should be above the first box high.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the best trade. Okay, now
Hello, sir. Can we see it on the chart, sir? High moment, for example, for 1 minute.
कौन सा था डॉक्टर रेड्डी ना?
हाँ वही बोल रहे.
बजाज फिनसर्व में बना था. उसका रेडी नहीं था.
ये देखो, ये कल का है, मान लेते हैं सेल करना है, ठीक है. तो अगर ऐसा हुआ, देखो इसका 1 मिनट का टॉप अभी तक टेकन आउट नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
तो हमें पहला बॉक्स बनाना है, विच हैज टू बी ए सपोर्ट. ये देखिए यहाँ पे सपोर्ट आ रहा है, दो कॉन्टिन्यूस ग्रीन्स, सॉरी रेड्स के बाद दो कॉन्टिन्यूस ग्रीन्स हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो आपने इस बॉक्स को बना दिया यहाँ पे। अब मान लो आपको सेल करना था, तो ये तो नीचे गया ही नहीं कभी,
हाँ।
देख रहे हो? ओके, 915 का ये लो है, इसको अवॉइड ही कर दो, क्योंकि इसका लो टूट गया है। ये देखो यहाँ पे
हाँ सर।
इस वाली जगह पे लो टूट गया है। अगर ये लो टूट गया है तो इसको हाई मोमेंटम पर्सपेक्टिव से ना ही करो तो अच्छा है। ठीक है, चलो ये तो चला गया, कोई बात नहीं, पर जरूरी नहीं है कि हार्ड स्टॉक जाएगा।
नहीं सर, इसको 5 मिनट में एक बार कन्वर्ट कीजिए ना सर। एक सर देखिए, प्रीवियस डे में लास्ट जोन बना था रेड,
करेक्ट।
एक इसके ऊपर बना था सर, जस्ट हाँ,
राइट।
पहले था सर, इसके पहले वाला ज्यादा, जो इसको ओवरलैप नहीं किया था, जस्ट इसके पहले 9 16 17 के आसपास। हाँ, यहाँ पे
हाँ, पर मुझे ये जनरल ट्रेंड दिख रहा है, यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था ये 3 1 2 3। राइट, तो ये इसने इसको ब्रेकआउट कर दिया स्ट्रॉन्गर वॉल्यूम के साथ।
जी
ठीक है, स्ट्रॉन्गर वॉल्यूम के साथ ब्रेकआउट ऊपर हुआ, रेड्स थे। ठीक है, तो अगर रेड्स थे तो आप इसको एक्चुअली, ये अगर आप देखो तो ये यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम था इसका, इसने इसको कंफर्म किया, रिवर्स हो गया। अगर आपको बाई करना था तो आप इसी वाले जोन को बाई कर सकते हो, आउटर साइड, आउटर बाउंड्री ऑफ द ट्रेंडिंग जोन।
मैंने तो बाद में बाई
हाँ नहीं, मैं वैसे बोल रहा हूँ कि जो हमने पढ़ा है उसके हिसाब से आउटर जोन को।
मिनिमाइज कीजिए। हाँ हाँ, जी जी।
But that will not be buying the day's low, no? Sorry. That will not be, see, sometimes when we buy this, but that's against, generally we have, if it's a range bound, we have to buy the low, right?
Yeah.
Because I remember a case where I bought like this and then it didn't go in favor. And specifically, I think at that time the observation was that we should have bought at the bottom of the day, right?
Yeah,
So
bottom
the
of
opening
the day.
bottom. Yes. So how do we reconcile? How do we know whether? How do we? Is that just a plain risk there, or
See,
there are no additional rules? Yeah.
do you see this low? Is it a low? Yes or no?
I see what?
Do you see the low? I have drawn a line. Huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Red color. Huh?
Yeah.
Where is the entry?
No, I didn't catch the significance of that line.
This is 915 candle. Huh?
Okay.
What-
Okay, okay.
what
Fine.
is intraday low?
915 is there. Yeah. Right, right. Okay, fine. I thought. Sorry, I got it. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Fine. So with high,
Sorry. Sir, if we identify any line, any zone that we should buy that level, there should be some indications there, sir. If some bullish indications will be there, sir. Yesterday we have discussed right now one candle going down, the immediate next candle reversing up, and the next candle taking that high out.
Hmm.
It is a bullish indication, right, sir? Is there any other indications like that, sir, which we can consider to confirm that this level will hold as a support or resistance?
Yeah. So on this one, support and resistances. Okay. This is the top of yesterday. Okay. I'm just assuming that we will take this top in order to show you whether it is forming support or is it forming resistance. Okay. So this is the black line. Okay. Now let's see. See, the price went out. Price came back with a higher volume. So it should fall. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
So it should fall because it's a high volume.
Yes.
Look at the kind of indications it gave. Do you see? It is forming trend also. See, there is a trend as well. Now the
Yes.
price came down again after forming the trend. Okay. So the price came down, it reversed back. This time it is with a stronger volume. Okay. It is with a stronger volume. And not only that, when this price went back, did it take out the high of this candle?
Yeah.
Okay. This high is also taken out, right? See?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So this high is also taken out. So the price came down. This is the place you have to buy. So you are already in the trade. Okay. So you are already in the trade. You have bought this level on that high-low support resistance. So this is the resistance turning into support. Okay. But do it only with the stocks which are in your monthly stack ranks or something. Okay. Don't do it for any watch list kind of stocks.
And moreover, we can consider previous day also for trending zones. In last,
Why
you
not?
have,
Yeah.
why not? Okay.
Like this one is a trending zone. Actually, what happens is these are trend confirmation methods. Now, say for example, I will draw a line here. Say this is a zone, right? 1, 2, 3. Something like this. Now, do you see that Bajaj Finserv have opened strong because it is outside this red zone?
True, true.
So if it is strong, see it tried going down, bounced back, broke the high, went up.
Mm.
So it's a strong closing,
So
strong opening.
Can we buy it at the first box top also?
It depends on your risk appetite.
Okay.
Okay, I'm adding one more thing over here in the confirming trends, which we forgot to mention. It is previous day, last zone. Okay. So opening above or below. Okay. I just added it so that don't lose a track of this.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if it opens below, the green candle opens weak, then should we avoid the trade
Avoid.
or
Avoid. You can
inside
avoid.
that box? Inside the box also avoid.
Inside the box also avoid. Unless it's a high momentum trade. It is not returning back at all.
Okay.
It is forming steps and steps.
Okay.
Okay. So all right. And this you can manage on your own. The last two. So you know how much position to build and all that. Okay. One small caution that I will give you. Now you will trade a lot, right? You'll probably trade 2-3 stocks in a day. Okay. 2-3 stocks in a day on 22 or say average 20 trading sessions will be how much? Almost at least 40 trades, right? I'm just saying, trades estimate. You will at least do for you are capable to do 40 trades at least minimum. Okay. Now we usually take about say 40% return on one trade, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 40% return is what we expect on every trade, which may not happen. Average comes out to be say 25. Okay. Now, if this is what we start our trade with on all 40 trades, okay, and our target for the month is say 50% or even say 200% or whatever, okay, if that is the case, you can also deleverage your position. This is risk management. Okay, now say for example you have 10,000 capital. Okay, you can make it a habit that you will go up to say 4 trades in a day. Okay, so 4 trades in a day, say for example. Okay, and you will divide this 10,000. Okay, so you divide the 10,000 into 4 equal parts. So on any given number of on any given day, it is very hard to believe that if you are working so hard and you understand the market so well, on all 4 trades you will go wrong. Very hard to believe. Okay, extremely hard to believe. So this will deleverage your position and put a risk management also, especially when you will trade with bigger quantities. Bigger quantities means larger capital. Okay, say your capital is 1 lakh rupee or maybe more than that. Okay, then it is important that you deleverage your positions also. Okay, this will ensure that you don't lose your capital in this market. Okay, and even if you are wrong with 40 trades, say out of 40 trades, if you're wrong with 20 trades and you're correct with only 20 trades, or maybe even less than that, say 25 you are wrong and only 15 are correct, still you will make a lot of money. Okay, so if you're putting in so much of hard work, so much of science behind trading, okay, it is very hard to lose money. If you're still losing money, then you are not focusing. Okay, so this section just keep in mind, and especially when your capital grows. Okay. So please remember, I'm repeating this again. If it is trending zone, you trade the boundaries. Your signal is a volume breakout. If you're working with general trends, you will let the price break out. If it happens with volume, fantastic, nothing like it. Okay, then you will let the price come within the box, and within the box you will take it at a support or a resistance. If you're working with long or short candles, okay, buy the the top wick of the red candle or sell the bottom wick of the green candle. Okay, and if you're doing high momentum trade, please remember the second box formation. After the second box is formed, you will make the position at the top of the second box. Okay, and after the second box is formed, the price should not retrace back to the lower end of the first box in case of buy, and upper end of the first box in case of sell. Clear?
Okay, sir.
I still have a doubt with the support resistance one. Like support resistance is again forming a zone, right? So do we buy at the zone low, or like you said, it can break the low and then go back?
No, let it break and go back. That confirms the support line or the resistance line.
So we'll have to wait for that break to happen and then go back. We shouldn't buy on the retest of that particular line.
VEDL. I'll show you something on VEDL.
Also, can we look at Zeal on the 11th of June? Yeah?
Okay. So in VDL, we said that this was the low day which was formed. Okay. Now I'll mark a support or a resistance here. Okay, near the low. So it seems that there is some sort of a support over here. Okay, two continuous reds and this thing. Okay, and then if you look at it, after the support was formed, there was no immediate resistance that I can see. I can see the next resistance only here. Okay, so more or less this was the complete zone. Okay, so Abhi, to answer your question, do you see it is not able to break this level to go short? After we traded this like this, okay, it was getting difficult for VDL to fall. It was building this zone as a support zone. See, the entire price level is below. You see this, right? I'll show you Coal India. Coal India, we were not able to trade last week. Okay. So this was the low. This seems to be this as the support zone. This is the support. Okay. Now after this was formed, there was some sort of a resistance over here at this place. Okay. So it came down, it is fine, but it really did not, retest this particular level. So since it did not retest this level, it was difficult for us to trade it. Okay, it is trying to go there. So most likely it will retrace this area and then will probably, go down. Okay, so try to look at these formations. Okay, Abir. What was the date, Ari?
The 11th.
This day, right?
Yeah.
No, sorry. Yeah, yeah,
The next. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
yes. So this is the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What to do?
I think there was a zone formed. Yeah, at around. A zone formed yesterday, and then towards the close, and then today also, and
Yeah.
the current day, right? So
So the
more we
opening was
would.
strong.
Yeah.
Opening was strong. There was a trend over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the line.
There's a current day's trend. Yeah. Okay.
Twenty-two, 6, 2019. The first breakout happened somewhere here. This place, this candle.
Mm-hmm.
1240. Right. This is the place. 1240. So strong opening. Volume breakout over here. This is the buy zone. This place.
So we will not take the trade. Huh? It's too late.
Yeah, but it is almost the day was over. So
Mm-hmm.
it never came back.
I thought we could take the trade. So here in this case, we have to wait for the volume breakout. Yeah.
Because this is a zone.
Okay.
For zone, the confirmation comes with the volume.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But if you look at a general trend, the confirmation with a price breakout can be used. Somewhere here, but again, it has to come down within the box. You will take, I'm just hypothetically saying that this is the resistance zone. So it should come here. From here, it should move back. If it is a general trend, at least to this place. Okay.
I thought the entry was on the pullback, yeah? After
It
the
has to be.
zone. Yeah?
It has to be on the pullback, no? So it should be
Because I
somewhere.
thought it's for the other. Immediately after the zone, it pulled back around 10:50.
This place, huh?
Yeah. No, it went out of that box.
See, if you're sure, you can do it. There's no problem. Say, if I delete all this,
Yeah.
see, there was a high also over here.
Yeah.
So this is the day's high. There's somewhere over here. So it opened below this. It was a strong opening from a zone perspective. So it broke out with a zone. See, it broke out with a zone. So this was a support area.
Yeah.
So this was turning out to be a support somewhere here. Okay, at this place. And then maybe it went up, in this direction.
Okay.
Did this day something great happened about Zeal? The day before, or was there something special on this day? I don't remember. Hari, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah. I don't. I'm just trying to see if there is anything on
Okay.
the previous day. Okay. I don't see on the 11th. So just before that. No.
Okay. No problem. All right.
Just give me. Let me check the 10th.
Maybe something would have happened on 10th, maybe.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Let me see if I take my tracker. 10th. 11th means I think the last day, previous day was 8, right? Yeah. Of June.
It's not engulfing also. Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Yeah, there's nothing there. So I think it just came. I think somebody took it. That's why we.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I had noted that we had discussed that. Yeah. Okay.
okay. Good. All right. Fine. So these are certain general things that we need to take care of. Okay. So this is the crux of what we have done so far. Okay. Any questions? Abir, okay.
Sir, stop loss.
Okay. See, there are two ways of keeping a stop loss. Okay. One is zone related. Second is capacity related. Okay. Now we know that we never take a stop loss which is more than 0.5%, which is 10% of the total trading capital. Okay. Now favorable stop losses are, now say for example, let's say, okay, let's say okay, now let's assume that you are wanting to build a position say you want to build a position here. Okay. Okay. If you're buying here, okay, your stop loss ideally should be below the box. Ideal situation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you remember when we do Nifty and all, I always say that if the range compresses, then it goes for a breakout either side. Either it will go up or it will go down. So there would be some sort of a compression which will happen before the big move happens. Okay. Now ranges which are smaller and compressed in size, they are a lot better to trade compared to huge big ranges. If the ranges are too big and you see that the box itself is 2%, there's no point in trading it. Getting my point? There's no point in trading it. A box maximum should be 0.5%. Okay. So say for example, if you're trading say Dr. Reddy. Okay, Dr. Reddy 1% is 22 rupees. Now just imagine if this box is 50 rupees. Say this big. Almost. There's no point in trading this, no, because you will make a position here, your stop loss ideally should be here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't trade boxes which are too big, which are beyond your appetite to of stop loss. Okay. Because a
Yes, sir.
favorable stop loss is that if you're making an entry here, then at least your stop loss is below this box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the trades which have this kind of a property are the best
Okay.
trades to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And you will never keep your stop loss more than 0.5%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
सर वो ट्रेड एस्टिमेट बोला ना सर, वो समझ नहीं पाया सर.
ये वाला?
हाँ, ये ट्रेड एस्टिमेट सर.
हाँ.
हाँ, ये 40 ट्रेड्स 20 ट्रेड्स क्या बोले थे सर?
हाँ, देखो एक महीने में कितना ट्रेडिंग डे होता है? 22 डेज होता है.
20.
तो एवरेज
yes,
20 डेज मान लेते हैं.
यस 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 सर.
एक दिन में 2 ट्रेड भी करेगा तो महीने का 40 ट्रेड.
यस सर.
ओके. तो मंथ का अगर 40 ट्रेड करोगे, ओके, 40 में से 10 पे 40 ट्रेड्स में से 20 ट्रेड्स पे मान लेते हैं स्टॉप लॉस भी हो गया.
यस सर.
ठीक है. तो अगर स्टॉप लॉस भी हो गया तो हाउ मच इज इट?
20 ट्रेड बच गए,
है ना. 20 ट्रेड बच गया.
हाँ.
20 ट्रेड पे अगर 25% का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है और 20 ट्रेड्स पे 10% का लॉस हो रहा है, तो
हाँ
भी
सर.
15% का पर ट्रेड 20 पे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है ना.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर.
ठीक है. तो वही
यस सर.
एक-
ओके ओके सर. सर वो
एक सेकंड होल्ड करना. एक सेकंड होल्ड करना.
हाँ.
हाँ सॉरी, बोलो शिवयोगी.
कैपिटल अमाउंट लास्ट कितना अमाउंट से हम ट्रेड कर सकते हैं?
कितना अमाउंट पे ट्रेड कर सकते हो? मैक्सिमम.
हाँ कैपिटल अमाउंट. हाँ मैक्सिमम सर. वो ज्यादा अमाउंट करे तो वो हमारा नाम आ जाता, हम नाम आ जाता है वो उसका लिस्ट में वो करके बोला था ना सर.
देखो अगर आप 5 लाख रुपीस तक का रॉ पोजीशन
हाँ.
बना रहे हो तो
हाँ हाँ.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उस पर. 5 लाख
हाँ.
का रॉ पोजीशन से ऊपर बनाओगे तो दिक्कत है.
ओके ओके.
पर इतना बड़ा पोजीशन स्टॉक मार्केट में कभी बनाना मत एक अंडे पे. ठीक
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
पीपल से नो डोंट कीप ऑल योर एग्स इन वन बास्केट. एक अंडे पे इतना इतना मत लगा देना कभी. ठीक है. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट साइज बढ़ गया है तो आप उसको डाइवर्सिफाई करना है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है. ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स
Yes.
में करोगे चाहे आपको एवरेज परसेंटेज कम मिलेगा, पर आपको
हाँ.
एंड ऑफ द मंथ जो आउटपुट मिलेगा वो एक ट्रेड से ज्यादा मिलेगा हमेशा.
ओके 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 सर.
ठीक है. तो एक ट्रेड पे
और
वो सब कुछ नहीं लगा देना
हाँ
है अभी।
हाँ हाँ, मिनिमम सर कितना लगा सकते हैं सर? कितना हमारा ये जो
देखो
मैक्सिमम
कैश
प्राइस सर?
मार्केट जब आप सीख
720।
जाओ, ठीक है, जब आप
हाँ हाँ
प्रॉपरली कैश मार्केट को ट्रेड कर रहे हो, गो अप टू अ लेवल ऑफ से 1 लाख रुपी, दैट्स इट।
ओके ओके।
ठीक है, जब आप 1 लाख रुपए तक पहुंच जाते हो ना, उसके बाद फ्यूचर्स ट्रेड करना,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
उसके बाद कैश मार्केट ट्रेड करने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है।
ओके ओके सर।
ठीक है, उसके बाद फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेड
ओके
करना, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी आपको।
ओके ओके ओके,
क्योंकि
थैंक यू सर।
जितना बड़ा पोजीशन होगा ना, देखो अगर बाई बना रहे हो बड़ा सा, तो उसको सेल भी तो करना है।
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो उतने बायर्स होने चाहिए ना आपसे खरीदने के लिए, तो
यस सर, यस सर।
वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए। तो इस वजह से
हाँ हाँ।
अगर आपका पोजीशन साइज बड़ा हो रहा है ना, जिस दिन आप
ओके।
देखोगे कि मान लो एक डॉक्टर रेड्डी है, ठीक है, अब
हाँ
डॉक्टर
हाँ
रेड्डी का
सर।
आप ट्रेड कर रहे हो, और आप जिस तरीके से ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आप जितने अमाउंट से ट्रेड कर रहे हो,
ओके।
तो वो जो अमाउंट, सॉरी, वो जो आपका क्वांटिटी है वो 200 से ज्यादा हो रहा है, मान लो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो 200 से अगर ज्यादा हो रहा है वो, तो आप उसको
हाँ।
कैश में करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है आपको,
ओ
क्योंकि डॉक्टर रेड्डी का जो लॉट साइज है दैट इज अबाउट
हाँ
200। तो आप उसको
ओके ओके।
फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेड करोगे, क्योंकि उससे फायदा आपको ये
यस
होगा कि एक ही ट्रेड में 200 का क्वांटिटी निकल जाएगा,
यस सर, यस सर।
है ना। तो
ओके ओके।
कैश मार्केट में ऐसा हो सकता है ना कि 200 का आपने पोजीशन बना दिया, उसमें से 175 ही निकल पाया, बाकी नहीं निकल पाया, फिर आपको नीचे बेचना पड़ेगा उसे।
हो राइट सर, राइट।
ठीक है, तो जिस दिन आपको लगे कि आपका एक ट्रेड का जो साइज है वो
हाँ
इतना
सर।
बड़ा हो गया है कि वो आपके फ्यूचर के एक लॉट साइज से बड़ा है,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
ठीक है, उस समय पे आप ये सोचना शुरू करोगे कि अब मुझे फ्यूचर्स में डाइवर्सिफाई करना है,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
अब मुझे कैश
ओके
मार्केट से
सर।
बाहर फ्यूचर्स मार्केट में ट्रेड करना है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, बड़ा पोजीशन कैश मार्केट में नहीं बना है।
ओके सर।
हम्म,
सर थोड़ा सा आप कंपाउंडिंग मेथड के ऊपर प्रकाश डालेंगे? आप बार बार कहते हैं कि ये बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग मेथड है।
हाँ, देखो सब कुछ तो कंपाउंडिंग से ही बनता है स्टॉक मार्केट में। तो अगर आप मान लीजिए आप
सर 250 से शुरू करना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरे लिए मतलब कैसा मैं स्टार्ट करूँ, और मुझे किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है, किन को मतलब नेगलेक्ट करना है, और मेरा जो टारगेट रहेगा वो 20% ही रहेगा।
ठीक है, आप
बस।
देखो आपको करना क्या है। ठीक है, अगर आपका मान लीजिए कि टोटल रिस्क कैपिटल, मतलब आपका जो बिजनेस कैपिटल है, मान लीजिए बिजनेस कैपिटल जो है आपका, वो मान लीजिए आपका 10,000 रुपए का है, ठीक है, तो ये 10,000 रुपया जो है आपका, ये हो गया आपका टोटल कैपिटल, टोटल कैप। अब इस 10,000 रुपए का जो 10% है, ठीक है, वो होगा दिस इंटू 0.1, 1,000 रुपया। तो 10% जो है आपका ट्रेडिंग कैपिटल होगा। तो जो आपका ट्रेडिंग कैपिटल होगा वो रहेगा इस फिगर का 10%। ठीक है, तो 1,000 रुपया हो गया। अब आपको अपना ट्रेडिंग प्लान इस तरीके से बनाना है कि मुझे जो है दिन का, मान लो आप 20% वाला ट्रेड करते हो, 1:2 करते हो मान लो, ठीक है, कि आपका जो रिस्क इज टू रिवॉर्ड रेशो है, रिवॉर्ड रेशो जो है वो 1:2 का है। ठीक है, 1:2 का है। तो आपको ये बनाना है कि महीने में 20 ट्रेडिंग डेज होते हैं, ठीक है। अब 1% का ट्रेड लेना तो मुश्किल नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा। तो आप मान लीजिए 20 × 3 कर लेते हो, या 4 कर लेते हो, या 2 कर लेते हो उसको। तो इसका मतलब होता है कि टोटल ट्रेड्स ड्यूरिंग द मंथ जो आपको करने हैं वो करने हैं 60। इतना आपका टारगेट रहेगा कि मुझे 60 ट्रेड करने हैं महीने के, ठीक है।
ओके
अब आप अपना एक्यूरेसी देख लो। मान लो कि एक्यूरेसी आपकी चल रही है, मान लो 50% पे, ठीक है। तो 50% का मतलब हो गया कि आपकी जो रॉन्ग ट्रेड्स होंगी, जो स्टॉप लॉस एसएल ट्रेड्स होंगी, वो होगी 60 × 50, ठीक है। तो 30 ट्रेड्स जो होंगी वो आपकी एसएल की ट्रेड हो जाएगी, और जो विनर ट्रेड्स होंगी आपकी, वो रिमेनिंग क्वांटिटी होगी आपकी। जो 60 में से जो 30 आपके गलत हो जाएंगे, उसको छोड़ के जो भी बचेगा। इसमें कितना चला जाएगा 30 में, ठीक है। 30 में आपका मान लीजिए कि हर ट्रेड में 10-10% चला जाएगा, और इसमें हर ट्रेड में 20-20% आ जाएगा। तो नेट कितना हुआ? नेट होगा कि इसमें आपको -10% होगा, और इसमें आपको +20% होगा, ठीक है। तो नेट जो वैल्यू बचेगी आपकी, वो होगी इक्वल टू दिस प्लस दिस, जो कि होगी 10% की। तो आपको 30 ट्रेड्स में 10-10% मिलेगा, ठीक है। अब आप मान लीजिए कि आपकी जो पोजीशन साइज होगी वो होगी 330 रुपए की, मान लेते हैं, ठीक है, कि 330 रुपए की आपकी पोजीशन साइज होगी। आप ये डिवाइड बाई 3 करके चल रहे हो, ठीक है, डी लेवरेज करके चल रहे हो। तो 330 रुपए की पोजीशन साइज होगी आपकी। अगर 330 रुपए की पोजीशन साइज होगी, तो इसका मतलब होगा 330 रुपया इंटू 30 इंटू 10%, तो आपको 930 रुपए मिलेंगे इस 1000 रुपए पे,
जी
ठीक है। तो इसका मतलब हुआ मंथ 1 आपका ट्रेडिंग का जो कैपिटल था वो कितना था? मान लीजिए, सॉरी गलत जगह लिख दिया, ट्रेडिंग कैप जो था वो आपका था 1000, ठीक है। आपका जो आउटपुट कैपिटल हुआ वो कितना हो गया? कितना हो गया? 990 रुपया, ठीक है,
जी
विच इज इक्वल टू दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट आउटपुट कैपिटल। तो आपका टोटल कैपिटल जो बन गया वो ये प्लस 990 रुपया बन गया, ठीक है।
जी
तो आपकी जो ग्रोथ है इस डीलेवरेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट के हिसाब से, वो ग्रोथ आपकी चल रही है कुछ क्या बोलते हैं 99% पे, 990 रुपये, ठीक है। तो अब आप मंथ 2, मंथ 3, मंथ 4 आप ट्रेड करते चल रहे हो, ठीक है। तो आपका जो आउटपुट बन रहा है, इसको मैं बस एक वो लगा दे रहा हूँ 99% ऑफ दिस, ठीक है। तो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस प्लस दिस, उतना ही अमाउंट आ जाएगा। अब इस अगले महीने में इसको इक्वल टू कर लेना है, कैपिटल को इसको बनाना है, डीलेवरेजिंग कर देनी है, डिवाइड बाई 3, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट से चलना है, ठीक है। एक ही इसी कॉन्सेप्ट से चलना है, इसको चेंज नहीं करना है, ठीक है। 5 महीने तक ये काम करना है,
जी
ओके। अब ये देखिए, ओके, 10,000 रुपये था आपके पास, जिसमें से 9,000 रुपये आपने मान लीजिए कि एक सेफ डिपॉजिट में रखा हुआ था कि अगर मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ी तो मैं उसका इस्तेमाल करूंगा अपने बिजनेस में। पर आपने निकाला 1,000 रुपया था, तो ये 1,000 रुपया आपका कैपिटल, ये जो 1,000 रुपया है ये यहाँ पे आपको 31,280 रुपये दिख रहा है, 208 रुपये दिख रहा है। तो ये 1,000 से 31,000 तक जाने की कैपेबिलिटी है 5 महीने में,
जी
प्रोवाइडेड आपकी एक्यूरेसी एटलीस्ट 50% पे रहे। और रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड जो आपका है वो हम मान के चल रहे हैं 1:2 एट 20% रिवॉर्ड है, 10% लॉस।
बिल्कुल सर।
ठीक है, तो ये है कंपाउंडिंग की पावर। तो ये 1000 रुपए का 31,000 रुपए बन सकता है। पर मेहनत आप तो कर ही रहे हो, मतलब आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अगर मेहनत करोगे हो जाएगा ये। आप तो ज्यादा ही बना चुके हो, 700% के आसपास पहुंच गए हो आप, 600।
हाँ सर, 803 हो गया।
हाँ, 803% पहुंच गए हो ना, तो पॉसिबल है, कोई इश्यू नहीं है इतना। देखो आप अपना
सर एक अपना
रिवॉर्ड जितना कॉम्प्रेस रखोगे, आपका जो
जी
हम क्या कह रहे हैं, से अगर 1:4 करें कंपेयर टू 1:2 अगर आप कर रहे हो, तो 1:2 में सक्सेस ज्यादा मिलेगा आपको।
यस सर, मैं एक्चुअली वही है ना।
ठीक है, तो आप
मैं
अगर
सर अभी
देखोगे 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, ठीक है, आप अगर ये 4 स्लैब्स बनाओ तो आपको सबसे ज्यादा सक्सेस मिलेगा अगर आप 1:2 वाला ट्रेड्स ले रहे हो। 0.5% का स्टॉप लॉस ले लिया, 1% का टारगेट ले लिया, मैक्सिमम ट्रेड्स जो है आपकी निकल जाएंगी उसी में। तो ये जो 50% हम मान के चल रहे हैं ना, ये 50 नहीं होगा, ये करीबन 80-85% होगा।
तो मैं भी पर डे में सर बस इतना ही रखता हूँ कि मेरा 20% में होता है तो 2 ट्रेड में 40% करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। तो फर्स्ट ट्रेड में मेरा टारगेट भले आगे कितना निकल जाए, मगर मैं 20% पे ही मार्क लगाता हूँ।
हाँ, और अभी आप देखिए मैंने ये डीलेवरेजिंग के साथ कैलकुलेट किया है।
जी जी,
क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने 330 रुपया लिया था ना।
हाँ नहीं, मैं भी
डिवाइड
इतना ही
बाय
करना
3
चाहता
किया
हूँ। आपको डायरेक्टली जो बताया था, मैं तो 1:4 पे जा रहा था।
हाँ
4 भाग में डिवाइड कर रहा था।
हाँ,
तो मैं सर अपना अभी तो हालांकि मैं मिसेज के अकाउंट में ट्रेड करता हूँ, मगर अपने अकाउंट में मैं ये कंपाउंडिंग जो आपने अभी बताया है मैं वो चालू करना चाहता हूँ। तो
हाँ
मैं चलो उसमें यही स्टार्ट।
छोटे से अमाउंट से करो, 1000 रुपए से चालू करो आप। हाँ, मतलब
हाँ नहीं, 1000 से ही करना है मेरे को। और उसमें भी 250 रुपीज ही रखूंगा मैं। 1000 को 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दूंगा।
हाँ 6-7 महीने करोगे आराम से तो आपको इतना कैपिटल दे जाएगी ये कि आप आराम से अपना जो बिजनेस है वो फ्यूचर्स में चालू कर सकते हो।
जी जी जी।
फ्यूचर्स
हाँ
में जो
वही
बिजनेस है वो आप शुरू कर सकते हो, क्योंकि वहां पे फिर लॉट्स खरीदने पड़ेंगे, थोड़ा रिस्क एपेटाइट भी ज्यादा रखना पड़ेगा, तो वो काम आप कर सकते हो। ये इक्विटी से आप पैसा निकाल के वहां उसमें इस्तेमाल कर पाओगे।
जी।
ठीक है, ऑलराइट। So any other question, friends? Okay, so fine. So before we leave, this slide, okay, I'm going to send you this, okay, after this meeting. The first part of the video is already uploaded, okay. The second part will get uploaded by tonight, the one which is getting recorded right now. Okay,
Could you please send the PPT of this so that we can have printout for our revision
this
purpose?
one na? This
all these today's all
this one, no,
today.
this is the crux.
Yeah.
What we created
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now, I am going to send it to you, all of you, over the email.
Okay, so that we can have a printout of
Just
that.
take a printout, keep it in front of you if you want. Okay,
True.
ठीक है, I'll send you this.
जो इसका प्राइवेट लिंक पे है।
हाँ जी,
उससे ये आपने पहला पार्ट अपलोड किया तो प्राइवेट लिंक पे ही आएगा ना, मेल पे?
हाँ प्राइवेट पे ही आएगा, हाँ पब्लिक पे नहीं आएगा।
करना पड़ेगा।
Okay, fine. So I'll send you this after the meeting. Next half an hour you will get it.
Thank you. So Monday it's going to be 7 p.m.
Monday 7 p.m. Is it fine? All of you, mentorship class 7 to 8, 8:30, whatever.
Okay, fine, great.
Anybody has a problem can say right now.
And this mentorship recording you would also be sending, no?
Mentorship का चाहिए recording. If you want, I can get it.
chances are there I can miss some of the as well.
हाँ ठीक है, वो record कर देंगे, कोई बात नहीं. We'll put it on recording.
Thank you.
Okay guys, So see you on Monday evening 7. Okay, the same mentorship link, we will remove this ITA program link now.
Okay.
Okay, all of you will use the mentorship program link.
Okay, fine.
All right.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
sir.